Hello friend, I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is a brave king, King Babur. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Babur was the first Mughal king of India. He was very kind and brave. He knew very little about the life of his people. He was very keen to know how they lived. One evening he dressed himself as a farmer and went out in the kingdom. All at once he heard a noise of a mad elephant running through the street. He saw a little child falling down in the street. His mother was weeping. A soldier was also there in the street. He did not touch the child. He drew his sword and cut off the trunk of the elephant when it rushed toward the child. Then he picked up the child and handed him over to his mother. His turban fell down from his head. The child people recognized him. The soldier came forward and saluted to the king. He begged for his forgiveness and Babur forgave him. Babur was a great king. So dear friend, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video.